Hello, everyone. I am going to review this one today. The astronaut in space. Not in the ocean, not in the desert, in space. Wow, astronaut in space. Yeah, please. I got it delivered from someone. Yeah, from Marketplace. I bought it for $15. The shipping was 20. So I paid 35 total. This is old kit. It's released in oh on this side it says it's 1968. 1968. And the other side it says 1994. Maybe initially it's released in 1968 and then re-released in 1994 maybe. I don't know, whatever. Anyway, okay. Let's open the box. I thought it's 6 scale, but it's not 6 scale, it's just 6-inch. So probably maybe 12 scale, around 12 scale, I think. Or, I don't know, anyway. The instruction. Simple, simple, simple. And the kit. Yeah. I'm not gonna open it. Yeah. Just see it like this. Not very big. It's just 6-inch. And there's the canopy thing, like the transparent plastic. Yeah. What is it called? Like, it's not goggles. What is it? The visor? Whatever. Here. Here. And this kit is not easy to find. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I don't want to open it. I'm going to keep it like this. So this is all you can see. And the decal. American flag, NASA flag. Flag is, what is it? It's not flag. Anyway, just this. That's all. Maybe I'm gonna build it sooner or later. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.